Next up, we're going to have a look at a result for wind speed and wave height. Wind speed and wave height always go together. The theory tells us that the faster the wind blows, the taller the waves should be. First of all, you've got to work out your wave height. How do you work out wave height? Well, wave height is equal to the crest minus the trough. Right? We recorded 5, so you should have 5 samples of wave height. Again, the figures I use here are ones that I have made up, okay, both for wind speed and wave height. How would I display these? I would use what I call a scatter graph, okay. Now a scatter graph, how am I going to show it? It's very similar to my line graph. Okay, so I'm going to put wave height here. Up the side it's wind speed. Across the bottom it's going to be wave height. So the taller the waves are, farther across this section will be. Faster the wind blows, the higher it will be up here. Again, your scale has got to be the same on both axes. I'm just going to use the lines because they're here. I would suggest maybe you use centimeters. And it's going to be in kilometers per hour. And it's going to be in centimeters. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, I just use centimeters here because it's just handiest. I know I use the lines up the side, but whatever it is across the bottom, it has to be the same up the top. So again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You might use this different scale. You might go on 2s, you might go on 5s, depending on what way your results are. Theory tells me that the stronger or the faster the wind blows, the taller my wave should be. So my first sample. For the first sample, maybe the wind was only blowing at about 3 miles an hour or 3 kilometers an hour, so I know it's going to be up this high. And when it was blowing that high, it was 6. So here's my sample 1. X1, we'll call it. Okay. Then for the next sample, wind was blowing a bit faster, so it was up here, maybe 5, so X2. Then we're going to say maybe it was blowing a bit slowly for the next one, so we'll go X3. Okay. It started to blow even faster, and the wave got even taller. X4. And then maybe again it started blowing, you know, very, very softly, and the wave height wasn't very high. Here's X5. There are my 5 samples. X equals sample. Do they have to be in order? No. The X's, do they have to be joined or dotted together? No. This is simply a scatter graph showing you that the faster the wind blows, the taller my waves will be. That is simply it for a scatter graph.